Hi everyone, welcome to the social science class. I am Deepa here with the new unit from the block 11 India's independence. I am going to teach you today the last part of the India's independence, that is from the unit 4 India's independence. India is in the last stage to get the independence, freedom from the Britishers. How they got independence finally, what was the situation, what happened during the independence, that we are going to learn in this unit 4 India's independence. In the previous class you have learnt about the Quit India movement. In the end Gandhiji decided to stop the Quit India movement till the completion of Second World War. So after that what happened? So around the same time Muhammad Ali Jinnah, he was also one of the great leader or freedom fighter in the Indian freedom fighting movement. He was also one of the freedom fighter in India. But Muhammad Ali Jinnah, he formed a Muslim League, a separate group he has formed, that is called Muslim League. So along with Muhammad Ali Jinnah and Muslim League, this group, this formed group, they had a demand. They kept a demand in front of Britishers. What was that demand? Means demand for the separate country for Muslims. Muhammad Ali Jinnah and Muslim League together, they kept a demand, or they asked for a separate country for the Muslims during the independence time of India. They wanted separate country. So in the same time the INC did not support this demand. Because of this, between INC and Muhammad Ali Jinnah or Muslim League, they got a difference. ಅವರ ಇಬ್ಬರ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಭಿನ್ನಾಭಿಪ್ರಾಯಗಳಾಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರುವಾಯಿತು. ಟಿಲ್ ದೆನ್ ದೇ ವರ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಫ್ರೀಡಮ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಫ್ರೀಡಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್. ಬಟ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ INC and between Muslim League, they have got a difference. But after the Second World War, Britishers realized that they could no longer rule the India, because themselves they understood. After the Second World War, they understood still more days are still in the ahead days, whatever they are going to face, they cannot rule or they cannot face those all problems whatever they are facing in the India. What was the reason behind this? That means because why they decided they cannot rule? Because Britishers spent more money in the Second World War. In that war, they have spent more money for that war, so that they became financially weak. So that in that moment, they were unable to control the protests in the India. Whatever the Indians were doing, protests, strong protests and demand for independence by the Indians. They understood they cannot handle those all. So finally Britishers decided to grant India its independence. Means because of their weakness of finance and they couldn't pay salary for the officers whom they have appointed, so that they became very weak. So they understood they cannot handle Britishers protests, strong protests for the independence. So they decided to give independence to the India. And when they decided to give independence to India, and however they were going to separate India into two countries. So India was divided into two separate nations. Those were India and Pakistan. And here Pakistan region had two regions. Pakistan country had two regions. Those were West Pakistan and East Pakistan. Pakistan had two regions. Those were West Pakistan and East Pakistan. East Pakistan is now a separate country. East Pakistan was a separate country, that was Bangladesh. So like this, before granting independence to the India, they have divided into two countries, and this partition means division, dividing, that is called partition. So it was very horrible moment, one of the horrible moments in the India. Because of this, this separation led many mass riots. Riots means dangegalu, and also many killings. ಈ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ದಂಗೆಗಳು ಶುರುವಾದವು, ಅದಲ್ಲದೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜನ ಪ್ರಾಣಹಾನಿಯನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರು. ಸೊ ಫೈನಲಿ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಗಾಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ 15th August 1947. After that division everything, finally India got independence on 1947, 15th August. So after the independence, Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Prime Minister of India. Jawaharlal Nehru became first Prime Minister of India, and one more separate country got independence, that is Pakistan. Muhammad Ali Jinnah became the first Governor General of Pakistan. So like this, these two countries got independence at a time, but Pakistan celebrates its Independence Day on 14th August. So this is about the independence of India, how the India got independence by the Britishers. So this is about the block 11, India's independence. By this lesson completed. So let's meet in the one more session of next block. Till then, keep watching videos. Thank you.